Hey guys, subscribe for daily knife content. And if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got a really interesting knife unboxing to share with you guys. This was sent by Alien Knives. You can check them out at alienknives.com. I'll also try to link something down in the description where you can check them out. There's a very interesting knife in here, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. You can find my Patreon link right down in the description. And please, make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Seriously, follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. Okay. Let's get into this box. Sorry, a piece of tape on my fingers. Oh, that was already... wasn't taped. Okay. Where is the... there we go. Okay, so... I can't wait to see this. Let me turn the exposure up just a little bit. Sorry about this, guys. Black with white in the background. Yeah! Okay, so this is a prototype, MX3, and the handle. He's got this environmentally friendly process where how he makes these. The handle scales, if I'm not mistaken, are a coffee composite. How cool is that? That's crazy. Look at this. This is cool. Oh, I had no idea that people even did this with... ooh, boy, the ergos are nice. So how does this... is it a lockback? Oh, yeah, it is. Okay, that's interesting how that works right there. Yeah, there's a little... so you push down right here, and it lit... okay, neat. Very cool. He told me it was going to be a little bit stiff, but it would loosen up over time. Yeah, this is interesting. Look at that blade. Wow. Man, that is wicked looking. Very, very cool. So, like I said, this is a prototype, MX3, and there's a bunch of different interesting scale options that are part of this environmentally friendly process that he uses, and then I think there's some other scale. He sent me a whole bunch of stuff, and I said, that the coffee one sounds kind of interesting. I had no idea how it would feel, but yeah, it worked. Look at that sharpening choil. Man, that is cool. It does get very thin behind the edge right there. That is very, very interesting. Even the pocket clip is this coffee composite. Let me give you guys a close-up. Look at this. How interesting. This is probably just a product. The little fuzzies are probably a product of how they make that. But yeah, when he told me that and I've looked at some other knives from him before. Sorry, I guess that's as high as the exposure goes. Sorry, the camera's shaking around because I'm trying to change the exposure settings. We've looked at some other knives from Alien Knives before. And yeah, you guys need to check them out on Instagram. I wonder if I've got some information here. This is not a review. This is just an overview. Here we go. Perfect. Oh, I was saying MX3 the whole time. MX4. Goodness gracious. I'm so sorry about that. So the blade is 80 CRV2. Not familiar with that at all. But the handle is coffee. Interesting. And then you can check out alienknives.com, Alien Knives on Facebook, and at DavoWorks on Instagram is that's the information there. So that's pretty cool. And then let me take a look at this. A word from Alien Knives. You have purchased one of the finest affordable handmade knives your money can buy. The folder you are holding is not just a tactical gentleman's knife. It is a tool that provides amazing performance for your everyday tasks. Okay, so it's some information there. Louis Davo. And then we have the website. Oh, we have... oh, here we go. To start off, we're literally using hemp from cannabis for our scales to provide something unique and special. One of our most loved features of the MX4 is the option of providing you with environmentally friendly handle materials that provide positivity to your world. We also offer a variety of handle scale materials, such as a composite made of coffee grounds, which is what this is. The lockback system on the MX4 features protruding jimping to assure the lock hook stays engaged into place during use. We have developed a one-piece combination tension bar system incorporated within the scale to offer you a product that is easy to disassemble and get replacement scales of your liking that are affordable. Each blade is hand hollow ground out of 80 CRV2 chrome vanadium steel. Interesting. The honeycomb texture pattern provides improved grip in the palm. Extremely lightweight at less than 2.9 ounces. Yeah, it definitely is super lightweight. Offers performance without that unnecessary weight or bulk within your EDC or everyday carry. We are truly proud to offer a unique USA handmade product that you will be proud to own. So that's pretty cool. I think that you guys should definitely check him out. Take a look at the MX4. I'm so sorry I called it the MX3. This is a prototype. They do have some other knives that they're doing. And I very much enjoyed the previous model that he sent to me. Hoping to show you guys more information on that down the road. But yeah, this was really, really neat. And boy, it is crazy ergonomic. This is quite unique. I mean, there are other lockbacks out there. But this is very different than, you know, the stuff that I just noticed the lanyard bead. I imagine that's also environmentally friendly. Or maybe is it? I don't know. What's it printed out of? Is it printed? Not really sure. In any case, this was interesting, and I wanted to share it with you guys because, yeah, it's neat. I mean, I like to show the weird stuff. This is definitely in the weird category, right? So, yeah. Thank you very much, Alien Knives, for sending this guy in. Like I said, guys, make sure you check them out on their website, on Facebook, and on Instagram. I think that's going to be pretty much it for today's unboxing. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.